For the cake, (1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, at room temperature, 1 cup whole milk, at room temperature, ½ cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. For the chocolate frosting, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3 1/2 cups powdered sugar, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, ½ cup whole milk or heavy cream, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, pinch of salt. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. You can also line the bottoms with parchment paper for easy removal. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt until well combined. Add the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix on medium speed using a hand mixer or stand mixer for about 2 minutes until the batter is smooth. Stir in the boiling water to the batter, mixing until it's well combined. The batter will be thin, but that's normal. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. Bake in the preheated oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, prepare the chocolate frosting. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter until creamy and smooth. Add the powdered sugar, cocoa powder, milk or heavy cream, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt to the bowl. Mix on low speed at first to avoid any powdered sugar from flying out, and then increase to medium speed until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Once the cakes are completely cooled, you can frost them. Place one cake layer on a serving plate and spread a generous amount of frosting on top. Carefully place the second cake layer on top of the frosted one. Use the remaining frosting to cover the top and sides of the cake. Optionally, you can decorate the cake with chocolate shavings, sprinkles, or fresh berries. Slice and serve. Enjoy your homemade chocolate cake. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature or in the refrigerator, depending on the frosting used. Happy baking!